The weather has been terrible this week. If you can see outside, it's still quite overcast. The birds actually haven't been outside for 3 days now because of the rain, but the weather's cleared up a little bit. It's not raining at least, so I might get these birds out for a quick fly. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. But first, I'll just quickly show you some new birds I picked up from a friend of mine. So here's one of them. This is my favourite. I picked up 3 birds from someone you guys might know. It's actually my friend Nigel from the Woodbine Love channel. If you haven't seen his channel, there's some really interesting coloured birds on it. But he also has some great racing pigeons, and he's had some really good results with them recently. So here's one of them. Let's see if we can find the other 2. So there's one. And down here is the last of the 3. You'll notice I've put the blue marker rings on them. I did say in the next video I'll answer what the marker rings mean, so here we go. The blue markers, which you'll see on a few of the birds, these are my out and out sprint birds. So these are the birds that fly on the Friday night basketing races. I'll aim to have them fly 6, 7, maybe 8 races, possibly in a row. And these guys will stop racing once we get to about 300 Ks. Then we have the purple rings, which is actually most of the team at the moment. And the birds who have the purple rings are for the Thursday night races. So that's 300 up to about 600, 650 Ks. And then we have the orange rings, which I told you guys about in the last video. The orange rings are the long distance birds. So that's the Wednesday night races, the 700 to 1000, maybe 1100 kilometer races. And then the red rings. The red rings are just my colour project birds. My plan with them is just to see how well they can fly and take the best performing birds with the red rings and eventually pair them to some of the blue rings or the purple rings. Anyway, let's get these guys out to fly before the rain comes back. Alright, well the younger ones are enjoying their time on the landing board. I still haven't replaced this board, I really need to. I might try to do that tomorrow if I get a chance. But the older birds, they're gone. I thought they'd like a bit of time out of the loft after they've been locked up for a few days. Alright, let's see if we can find these older birds. I really should have put a GPS tracker on them. Here we go, they've reappeared. Also in the background, let's see if we can focus. Cockatoo. Haven't seen one of these around here for a long time. Well, these guys are enjoying having a nice fly, but it's actually started to rain again, so I think it's time for them to come back inside. Alright, well most of them have come down now. There are still a few out flying. The wind started to pick up and the weather's looking a bit dark. So I think it's time to bring these guys inside. Alright, well that's most of the flying birds inside. There's still a few naughty ones out there enjoying some time in the rain. We'll have a look at the breeding birds in tomorrow's video, and there's also going to be a nice surprise in tomorrow's video. So you guys can look forward to that, but in the meantime, right here on my face, I'll put another video that you might enjoy. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.